guys, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do milk cartons. At the bottom of the video, we'll have a link to make your own milk cartons, or if you don't want to make your own, they sell them at every craft shop probably, and we also have some on our online shop. And we are also gonna be featuring a few of the items we're doing in this Christmas ephemera kit. We're gonna be using some of them on here, but it'll give you some ideas of things you may even have around, or just find some cute images and decorate your own. Let's get started. So I'm gonna use the milk cartons that I already have and that I carry on my online shop, just because it's gonna be easier for me, but like I said, we'll have a link at the bottom of the video that you can upload and make your own. So the first thing you're gonna do is open it up and you're gonna fold all the score lines that are already in the milk carton. So the first thing I'm gonna do is the sides. You could do the bottom first. You know, it's really 6 of one, half dozen of the other. And with these ones, all you're gonna do is peel this little backing off. And it's got a very nice, strong, double-sided tape. And you tape it. Otherwise, you could use really heavy-duty double-sided tape or a glue gun. And then you're going to tape the bottom end. Fold your sides in, and you're gonna be able to tell. You're gonna see score lines. You can tape your top right now, because it's just this one little piece here. And if you're gonna put a big baggie of something in here, you might wanna wait before you close it. So I'm gonna take this off for decorating. And you're still gonna have an opening about that big. So if it's bigger than that, you need to put your item in first. I think I'm going to use Bible paper to cover this one and do something fun. You could use decoupage glue, but I really found this worked really well, and it was easy. All I'm doing is using a glue stick, and I'm doing this one side. I'm just rubbing it against the table a little bit so I know it's nice and secure. And I'm just going to use a very lightweight sanding block. So you can use any type of paper you would like, but I thought this was really fun. And I'm going to do the other side too. And that part's done. Now we're just gonna decorate it. On this one, I just added some of the gold circles and some of the gold paper and one of the cards and some fun things on here. On this one, I did almost the same thing, but I just did it with the blacks. But I'm gonna do something different that's in this fun little ephemera kit. I'm gonna use this little Santa. And I'm just gonna cut around the edges here. And then I think I'm gonna put him onto some black paper. I think I'm gonna sand this paper a little too. So I'm just gonna use my glue stick again. I didn't get this glued down fast enough and the head is not stuck, but you know what? What a fun surprise. I think I even like that better now. So I am gonna glue stick this piece of black onto here. So I'm going to make this side simple, and I'm just cutting out some fun sentences and words, and I'm just going to decoupage them on here. I think that's just very simple, but I really like it. On this side, let's just do something a little brighter. So this really was an easy project. If you just cut out your own template, make your own milk cartons, find milk cartons, take big milk cartons, cover those. But whatever you can find, or even just plain boxes. But I think this is a really cute idea. A couple Christmases ago, we used the milk cartons and used some black and white vintage images and filled them full of bags of our powdered church chai and our wonderful mocha hot chocolate coffee. So that was really fun. So we're gonna even put a link to a couple of our yummy dried recipes. They are so good. And you could fill them up in these little cartons and pour them out from here. But whatever you do, guys, have fun.